Good morning students. Today we will be starting with the exercise 12.1. Now in exercise 12.1 you have in your course sum number 1, 2, 3. Sum number 4 is cancelled and this question 5, that is one MCQ. Okay, so you don't have to do sum number 4. So I will be discussing the sums one by one. Now first we go to the sum number 1 where you have got radii of two circles 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. And you have to find the radius of the circle whose circumference is equal to the circumference of these two circles. Okay, now let us see how to solve the sum. Now here you have got one radius 19 centimeter, second is 9 centimeter. Okay, now you have to first have the sum of the circumference of these two circles. So sum of the circumference will be 2 pi r, that is 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2, circle number 1 and circle number 2. Okay, that is 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Now if you take out 2 pi common, so it will be r1 plus r2 here. So this 2 pi and this 2 pi will get cancelled. So we have got r is equal to r1 plus r2, right? So r will be 19 plus 9, that is 28. So that is your answer. Okay, now you go to the next sum. The next sum, you have got the radius of the two circles 8 centimeter and 6 centimeters. Okay, and you have to find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the area. So now you have to find areas of these two circles. Here we found the circumferences, here we have to find the area of these two circles. So going back again, now the area of the circle with radius 8 centimeter, area is formula is pi r square, right? So it is 8 square into pi, that is pi into 8 square. Next is 6 centimeters, so pi into 6 square. Okay, now you have to have the sum of these two. That will give you the area of the circle which we want. Okay, so pi capital R square is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square, because sum of these two areas of this circle we want. Okay, so by r square, this is capital R square, here you have to put 8, here you have to put the value 6 and take out pi common. So once you take out pi common, this pi and this pi will get cancelled. So r square is equal to 64 plus 36, that is what is given here. Okay, so r square is equal to 100, so r is equal to 10 centimeter. So the radius of the sum of the area circle, that radius will be 10 centimeter. Okay, now the next question. In your textbook you have this figure. Understand this question properly. Okay, here this is an archery target where you have got, this is gold, this is red, this is blue, this is black, this is white. Okay, now what is given is the diameter of the region of the gold score is 21. So this diameter is 21 from here to here. Okay, and then each other bands have got 10.5 centimeter width. So this is 10.5 centimeter, this is 10.5, this is 10.5, this is 10.5. And we have to find the area of each region, area of gold, area of red, area of blue. Okay, so how can we do this? There are two methods of solving this sum. Okay, the first method which I have solved in my notebook. I hope if you all understand, you can follow this method, or I'll discuss the other method afterwards. Okay, so if you see the diagram here, this is the gold. Now the diameter is 21, so the radius will be how much? 21 divided by 2, that will be the radius. Now this width is 10.5, all these widths is given is 10.5, 10.5, 10.5 and 10.5. Okay, so we'll first go with the area of the gold. Now what is the formula of area? Pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 multiplied by 21 upon 2 multiplied by 21 upon 2, because the diameter is given 21 centimeters. See, if you can go back to the sum, the gold score diameter is 21. Okay, so here the radius will be 21 divided by 2 and you get the area 346.5 centimeter. This is the area of your gold circle. Now we go for the area of red circle. Now area of red circle means what? Only this much area. this area we want. Okay, for that we have this diameter, this from here to here, if we see, this is 21 upon 2 plus 10.5, that will give the diameter of this circle, this big circle. Okay, so we already have the area of gold. If we take the big circle area minus this circle, gold circle, you will get the red circle. Are you understanding? The complete big circle minus gold will give you this red area. Okay, so the area of red plus gold, the area of red circle plus gold circle minus the area of gold circle will give you the area of red circle. Now this area we already have calculated here, area of gold, so we have to calculate this area. Okay, now for that we take it as 2 pi r square. Okay, now where radius will be this radius plus this. Okay, so 21 upon 2 plus 10.5, that will give you 21 centimeter. If you see this calculation, it will be giving you 21 centimeter. So we get the radius from here to here, this of the big circle is how much? 21 centimeter. Okay, now putting it in the formula, you get 22 upon 7 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21, that is 1386 centimeter square. Now this is the area of red plus gold, complete area, but we don't want that, we only want this area. Okay, so we have to subtract this area of red plus gold, that is this, minus area of gold, that is this. Okay, so 1386, this complete area minus gold will give you the area of red circle, that is 1039.7. so this is now the area of red. Okay, now we go to the next one, where you have to find the area of blue circle, that is after the red circle. Now we want this area. Now here again we have this 21 by 2, 10.5, 10.5. So for finding blue, we have got this radius of the whole circle, and we have calculated the area of red plus gold. Do you remember here, red plus gold we have already got this much. Okay, so the complete minus red plus gold will give you blue. Okay, so let us first add this radiuses. So it will give you 21 upon 2 plus 10.5 plus 20. This is already 21. We have already calculated here, it has 21 centimeter. Okay, these two. Now with that again you have to add 10.5. So it will give you 31.5. Now with this we find the area. This is of the big circle, from this complete circle we are talking about. That is 21.7 multiplied by 31.5 multiplied by 31.5. You get this answer 3118.5. Now this is the complete area. You have to subtract from that area of gold and red. What is the area of gold and red which we got here? Okay, that is 1386. So this minus this gives you the area of blue circle. Okay, now we go for the area of black circle. Now for area of black circle we want only this much. For that we have to calculate the entire area minus gold, red and blue. Now gold, red and blue we have already calculated here. Can you see this? Gold, red and blue, how much it is? This much. Okay, so we have this area, this much area we already have calculated. So we have to only calculate the complete one. So complete minus this white area will give you the black area. So for complete area you have to add this plus this plus this plus this. All four you have to add. Already we have added this 3 here previously. You can see this 3 is added, it is 31. Now we have got one more 10.5. So it gives you 42 centimeter. Now with 42 this we have to calculate the area of red, gold, blue, black. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all complete area, radius is 42 centimeter. Okay. So using this 42 centimeter, we got this area. Okay, red, gold, blue, black. From that you have to subtract red, gold and blue, which we have already calculated here. Red, gold, blue, this area. That is. So subtract it from this area, you get the area of black this much. Now for the area of white, complete circle minus area from gold to black. Okay, so you have got 21 upon 2, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10. This is how much? 42 we have already calculated. Plus 1, 10.5 will give you 52.5. So first calculate that area. Minus which area we have to do? Minus the area of gold, red, blue, black. Okay, that which we have calculated here. Gold, red, blue, black, this area. That is red, gold, blue, black, that is this. Okay. So 8662 which we have calculated minus 544, that is this area, will give you the area of white circle. Now if you have not understood this, there is another method that is given in your reference book. Okay. Now in this reference book what they have done is, the first one they have calculated as we have already done. Okay, simple calculation of gold. Now for red what they have done is, they have taken this complete area of r square minus the small r square. So what they have taken is, they have taken this area minus this area. Okay, so what they have taken is pi, they have taken out common. Okay, so this is r square minus small r square minus big R square they have taken. This is little bit confusing, so if you understand, fine. Okay, here what you have to do is, you have to calculate the radius of the big circle, complete whatever circle you need. Suppose you need from here to here, so you will have this 3 as a radius of the big circle minus the radius of the small circle. Okay, so for blue, if you want to go to blue, so it is 21 upon 2, 10.5, 10.5. Okay, so 21 upon 2 is 21 upon 2, 10.5, 10.5, that is 21 upon 2 plus radius, where is this, plus 10.5 is 21. Okay, and then one more 20, that will give you 31. So this is the radius of gold, red, blue till from here to here. Okay, and that is minus the small radius, that is 21. So here you have got the smaller radius is 21 from here to here, and the bigger radius is 31.5. So here you have got you to just subtract the radius using this formula, and then you will get the area directly. Okay, so if you understand, fine, you can follow this method or you can follow the previous method. Thank you.